Once again, you're gonna wanna make sure you're doing nice, slow, and controlled movements here. Hey, what's up guys? Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com and welcome back for another video. Today's video, I'm gonna give you the best bicep arm workout for beginners using nothing but dumbbells. That being said, let's get started. All right guys, before I get into the actual dumbbell exercises I want you to utilize if you're a beginner, first, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and also make sure you click on that bell icon. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Also, pay attention to the techniques I'm going to be giving you because when you are a beginner, there's certain things you want to make sure you're focused on doing. One is trying to develop a mind-muscle connection, meaning the exercises I chose are chosen to eliminate all momentum. When you're doing a lot of barbell stuff, your mind typically goes away from the muscle you're working and all you're doing is going from point A to point B using momentum and cheating the movement. So basically the exercises I chose for you are designed to eliminate all the momentum and really get you to focus on working the actual biceps. Okay, I'm also gonna give you some cues with each exercise to make sure you're focusing on so you can optimize each exercise. All right, now that I've said that, let's get into the very first exercise. The very first one we're gonna do is gonna be a dumbbell incline curl. You'll notice I have an incline bench here. The cool thing about the dumbbell incline curls, the thing I like about this the most is it allows for a full stretch of your biceps. You'll notice my arms all the way back here. There's a full stretch in this position. The key to doing these correctly is keeping your elbows back behind your body. So we're gonna rotate so that our palms are facing forward, and then we're just gonna curl the weight up. The reason I stress keeping your elbows behind your body, if you bring them up every time you're here, then you're basically resting in this position, okay? So you're not allowing gravity to pull the weight down. So all you have to do to shift this is get those elbows back. If you notice, now the dumbbells and gravity are both trying to pull back down. So this is gonna be a lot more beneficial. So also at the end down here, go for a full stretch. One thing you can really focus on is contracting those triceps. When you contract your triceps, you're gonna get a full stretch of the biceps. So from here, nice curl, and take these slow and under control. Really focus on that mind-muscle connection. Really feel this weight in the actual biceps, as opposed to just going through the motions real quick, okay? Nice, slow, and under control. Good stretch, good contraction, about a 2-second contraction, then release, another 2-second contraction. All right, that's the very first exercise. Second exercise, again, is designed to really isolate the biceps and eliminate all momentum. You can do these on a preacher curl bench. So these are dumbbell preacher curls. I'm gonna use the same incline bench here. Basically, all you're gonna do with a preacher curl, you want your upper body to be flush against the pad, and you're just gonna flex your biceps as hard as you can at the top. Key point here is not bringing your shoulders forward. That's gonna shorten the range of motion, and also not leaning back. You'll notice my elbow leaving the pad. You wanna keep that upper arm flush on the pad. Nice full stretch, contraction. Once again, you're gonna wanna make sure you're doing nice, slow, and controlled movements here. So you're gonna get one side done, alternate sides, keeping the upper arm flush, nice full stretch. Not everybody's got very flexible biceps. Some people have really tight biceps. So if that's you and this is as far down as you can go without hurting your bicep, that's fine. Main thing I want you to focus on is the contraction at the top. Try to get the pinky higher than the thumb. That's called a supination. So try to supinate that dumbbell and that's gonna give you a peak contraction. So once again, good stretch. Starting here, start supinating, and get that peak contraction, all right? That is the second exercise. Now the third I'm gonna show you, and also while I'm getting this third exercise set up, as a beginner, typically what I recommend is about 8 to 10 reps. 8 to 10, really focus on making them really good reps. Do that for a couple weeks, and then after that, get to the 10 to 12 rep range. I like working 10 to 12 reps. It gives you a little bit more time under tension, which is really gonna help you grow your arms. But for now, the first thing I really want you to focus on is just really getting that mind-muscle connection down. So basically 3 exercises. I'm about to show you the third, but what you're gonna wanna do with each is 3 sets. 9 total sets. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps for the first exercise, 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps for the second, and then 3 sets of 8 to 10 for the third. So 9 total sets is all you need when you're doing this, okay? So from here, third exercise I really like. This is an across body hammer curl, meaning, let me show you one thing real fast. You're gonna bring the dumbbells across the front of your body. This is the midline. You're going across the midline. Hammer curl meaning your palms are just neutral, just like this. They're not supinated or rotated forward or supinated this way, and they're not pronated, meaning supination here, pronation there. They're not being pronated. You want a neutral grip, which makes the hammer grip. Reason for that, it's gonna help work the long head of the bicep. These other 2 exercises I showed you really focus on the short head, which is the inside ball of the arm. To get the outside, which gives you that little full 3D looking bicep, you wanna make sure you're doing some across body stuff, all right? Or some neutral grip, hammer grip stuff. That's why I'm choosing this exercise. Now what I want you to do is, let's focus on one side at a time. You can do these alternating, but I want you to really focus on making sure you're getting all these reps perfect with each side first. Cross body hammer, right there, 2-second contraction, back down, 2 second. Again at the bottom, flex that tricep. That's gonna help you really stretch out that bicep. Nice, slow, under control. Again, holding that contraction for 2 seconds. Full tricep contraction down there. You're gonna do this side, 8 to 10, and then you're gonna switch, go to the opposite side. Same thing, hammer grip across the body. Let's give you a couple more here. And 2. All right, so those are your 3 exercises that, if you're a beginner, I want you to master these. There's so many other exercises you can do for your biceps, but really focus on getting these 3 down, because 1, you're getting a full stretch. So you're learning how to get your biceps fully stretched by contracting those triceps. 2, you're learning how to eliminate momentum with all the movements, which is key for actual arm growth. You wanna eliminate all momentum, all the cheating. All right, and then the third is you're really focusing on contracting by supinating, getting that pinky up higher than your thumb. That's gonna make a huge difference in the type of results you get from your arm training. But all right guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. Also, if you have any questions about any of these exercises or the structure or anything like that about how to structure an arm workout, leave that in the comment section as well. And man, other than that, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.